Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Ads tracking template. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, and once you're in the search bar you have to just simply go to the first option from here, and once you're in the first option you have to just simply click on the sign in or the start now button according to your preferences, and after that it will simply take you to this page here, and after that you have to simply click on the campaigns option from the left hand side, and here in the campaigns option you have to click on the ad groups, and after in the ad group you have to choose the ad group from here. So let's say I'd like to choose the first one, and once you choose the first one like this you will get the option of edit in the top navigation bar. So just simply click on the edit option from there. After that here you will get the option of change tracking templates in below. So just simply click on the change tracking templates. And here you can see the change tracking templates is already looking like this. So you have to just simply click on the set tracking template, and you have to give a new tracking template here. Just type in that, then you have to click on apply. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.